No, our content has not turned into mukbang. We remain forever as a growing and cooking channel. But there's something to celebrate at the kitchen. This is a special edition. Hello. Good evening. I'm not cooking today. Welcome to the small kitchen. As you've seen, I was munching on my harvest. And not my harvest, but blue cheese na may amag. You're watching the cooking series. Let's join Romilo at his small kitchen. Warm greetings. How are you today, my friends? Good evening. If you purposely came here for the unboxing, Channel 1 is a growing and cooking channel. This is a very special edition. We don't usually do unboxing here, but since this is an enrichment of our kitchen, I thought of featuring this. I'm sure you too are excited, not just me. I'm excited because I have a new kitchen gadget, a new kitchen mixer. I'll show it to you. Let's unbox it. Join me at the table. This is our newest acquisition. I have here my current kitchen mixer. It's a Philips all-around mixer. This is good for dicing or slicing vegetables or ingredients. With this attachment, we can also use this for kneading, let's say, dough. But dough on the dry side can be very tough. So this is overworked. This knot here is overworked. This is my second machine already. So it's not advisable, although you can use this attachment, it's not advisable for heavy dough. I also have a mixer, a bigger one, high power, with a hook for kneading dough and egg beater or whisker. It's too noisy. This too is so noisy, I can't bear it. That's the reason why I searched the internet for a quieter option. Or the old point to the Kitchenaid, but I cannot afford it. This is the next that comes close. In this location at least. In the US there are other brands that are quiet, but here in Europe this is the second thing that comes close. So let's unbox it. No more storage, Romilo. Look at the box. Very beautiful. Especially that one. Yeah, I fell in love when I first saw this. It was really love at first sight. Now the actual unboxing. Very good packaging. Look at that. Even the documentations, the manuals are beautifully packaged. It's a present in itself, the documentations. First finding, silicone or plastic scraper. Let's see first the attachments provided. This is the paddle for mixing. By the way, this is the Kenwood K-Mix. And yeah, handsome. The kneading hook. That's it. Oh yeah. Woo! It's heavy. Come on! Oh yeah, good. Let's put it on top of the box for you to see. Yeah. This is This is a unit. It's more than 10 kilos because unlike the other brands, this is made of steel. Yeah, not plastic but steel. Even its case is made of steel. Yeah. Beautifully wrapped. Come on. Oh, it's really heavy. Very sturdy. Isn't that handsome? The bowl is really shiny. At first I thought it was made of glass. And look how beautifully the name of the product is engraved in there. And what I love about this is that it has a rounded edge. Unlike my bigger one, the machine that I use for making the Brazo de Mercedes, it has sharp edges and it scratched my countertop. This one, no. And it snugly fits the holder here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's test it. Yeah? Let's do a noise test. Do you remember me wearing air protections when I bake with my big mixer? I hope I won't need any protection with this one. Let's try it. Oh, there's a lot. Come on, return. Huh? Also, let's try it. Unloaded. Let's try it. Unloaded. Yeah. And it's really quiet. It whispers. I love it. Now with the attachment. Will it matter even? No, it won't matter. And to compare, I'm gonna play. I'm gonna turn this on, the other one, and let's listen. Yeah. Now, see the difference? And this one? See? Let's do a duet. This is really much softer. I'm happy. I'm happy, really. I'm really happy. And it's handsome. I bought it also for its decorative value. From unboxing to reviewing. Come on. Good. That's reasonable. I would still wear my ear protection. Now the next challenge would be, where should we place it? Where should we place this? I wanted to put it here. But it's too big. It is, yeah, another reason for buying it is its color. Yeah, it conforms to the channel horn motif. It's red. Although at first I was looking for black. Let's find a place for this. Let's try this small countertop. It has a decorative effect. Not bad. Yeah, it really looks good there. But it dominates the... it looks good here, but it dominates the space. Let's find a better place. There you have it. I hope you share my excitement with my new mixer. Let's put it to the test. Let's make a cookie next. Abangan coming up on our next videos. See you!